Hello everyone, we are going to learn assembling on Onshape through a simple assembling example of a C-clamp. First of all, download the 4 parts components to your own computer. And then log in your Onshape account and create a folder called C-clamp. Then click the arrow which is next with the create. Select import files. And choose all 4 parts. At the import selection dialog, choose a split into multiple documents. And we are going to import the appearances only for this one. The import may need a few seconds to process. And then create a document called assembling or C-clamp assembly. For assembling, we are going to use the assembly mode on Onshape. So it's at the bottom. Let's change to assembly. So as you can see, the function menus on the top is different with the one we created the symbol models. Just put the pointer at each functions to see the introduction of each one. First of all, I will insert a component we just imported, and we click Insert. Select Other Documents, and go to the folder where you just import all the parts. And I will select C-clamp step. So as you can see, the part show up at our working space, and it moves with your pointer. Just select any position you would like it to stay, and click the check. So we have insert the first comp. Let's insert the second component to our working space. So this time I would like to insert the screws. So we have 2 components there in our working space. What we need to do next is give a relationship between these 2 components, so they could show up in a more reasonable shape. And this relationship, we call it mate. And you can check all the mate features in our assembling at the left. So as you can see, there's no mate features exist now. And I will let the whole of the clamp and the screw share the same cylindrical center. So I choose this cylindrical mate. and we will choose the features of this mate. So I choose the outer surface of the hole and the outer surface of the screw head. So now I click the check sign. So now these two are cylindrical. This is not our ideal position of the screw, and you can keep select the screw and try to move it to make it more reasonable. And now I would like to add our third component to our working space. I would like to insert the work pin at the screw head. So let's select insert and choose the head pin. So now I will give the mate features for the head pin and screw. I would like the pin sliding through this hole. So this time I will select the slider mate. I choose the surface of the pin and I choose the interhole surface of the screw head. Okay, now you see it's there. Now let's enter the last components left to our working space. That's the undercap. We want the top surface of screw is close with the inner surface of the cap. So let's choose the planar mate. Select these two surfaces separately. And we would also like to give another constriction of the center of the cap and the screw. So if we move the cap, it still have some freedom. So we don't want it to happen. So let's select the surface of the cap and the screw. Okay. So now it won't be moved away from the screw.